Good afternoon from Beverly Dunes. This is our last camp out of the year for the Eastern Washington Off-Road Group. We're going to camp tonight at Beverly, and then tomorrow we're going to go up there on Saddle Mountains for the view. And we'll look back down on camp. Should be a fun time. Rick and Kelly are already here. They've been waiting for me. I'll go find a camp spot in the trees. We got the campsite we were looking to get, and it was trashed. Looks like someone stole a bunch of stuff. There was tags, there's hangers everywhere. Anyway, the guys got it all cleaned up, except for what's around the fire pit there. As soon as we get a garbage bag out, take care of that. Probably burn that wood. Rick and Kelly are both going out to play in the dunes a little bit. They're not airing down until they get stuck. At least that's what they said. Rick and Kelly got back. Still waiting for Sev and Brandon. And then Oda's supposed to be here too. And here's Sev. Actually, he showed up in a Jeep this time. There he is. Oh, dang time. It's nice and warm at my camp. Brandon and Sev went to play in the sand dunes. And we got a fire going here too. And Rick's got the game on. We got the propane fire going on inside the pop-up. We have a real fire over here in the fire pit. And we're all sitting around enjoying the evening together. It's not bad for temperature.
This is how the inheritance came.
Yeah, pretty good turnout. My son Odo's not here yet. He's on his way.
Isn't that wild?
Good morning from Beverly Dunes. It was a nice night last night. Kind of warm. Sit around the fire. Everyone's getting up. Having breakfast. We'll pack up and head up the Saddle Mountains. Odo finally showed up late. Here's Sev cooking breakfast.
That's right. With the old camp stove. Morning.
Morning. There's Brandon.
Doing coffee.
Oh, cool.
The essentials.
Some of the guys went out and played in the sand dunes. I came over here to use the restroom. But our next place we're going is up there on top of this ridge, the Saddle Mountains. Alright, we're about to head out. The camp is definitely cleaner than the way it was when we got here. We're on the road. We're headed to Mattawa and up to Saddle Mountains. It's been a great camp out here at Beverly Dunes. Now we're driving through the town of Mattawa. Got a few more miles to go before the turnoff. Off the pavement there, it is Saddle Mountains. Here's looking down on Mattawa and the Columbia River. Our first stop, looking down on the Columbia River. And mosquitoes are big around here. Alright, the wind's starting to kick up here. Really nice view. Way over there is I-90. Now we gotta hike back down. I'm gonna drive over this knob right here for another view. Now we're on a knob looking over the Columbia River. Ways down. We're on that knob over there. I do a lost a lug nut or two. Now we just had lunch. Now we're gonna head on top of Saddle Mountains and look down on Beverly. Here's a great view from up here. It's a nice day to be here. Been up here before where you hardly can see the river because of the clouds and the fog. There's Jerry. Stuff for the view. Here's our next stop up on that knob. Spooky. That was our campsite last night. Looking down on Beverly Dunes. Okay, Brandon's got to get back to the west side, so I'm gonna call it a day for being up here. Getting closer to the bottom. Now this is the end of the trip for the group. Everyone's parting ways and their own way back home. Odo and I are going to go down Highway 24 to get back to Yakima. It was a great trip. Appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time. Happy trails.